On the remote western shore of the El Nido Peninsula, there are some amazing beaches that can only be reached by sea. Most people would do this in pump boats who venture out here. Of course, the crazy Swiss family Robinson had to do it by kayak. Hey there everybody, my name is Chris. Join me as I explore this incredible planet. First we headed over from El Nido Bay to Korong Beach. This is now day, where are we now? 4. Day 4 in the El Nido area. We're here on Korong Beach. The first activity for today is kayaking. I want to kayak around to whatever is around that corner. Ipil Beach, Mango Beach, Seven Commando Beach. We'll see what there is. So just looking for a place where we can rent kayaks. We're already at a place there in the back where they offered 150 pesos per hour or 500 per day. So I think we can get a better price at another place here. We'll just have a look. There's a place here that rents it at 100 per hour or 500 for the day. So we negotiated the price at 100 per hour and we're ready to leave. I'll be going around that corner over there. Everybody just activating, putting on their life vests things. Yeah? You ready to roll? Roll with the waves. Yeah? So the challenge of the first part is to get out to the open. We've negotiated most of the boats here in the bay. We're almost out from among all the boats. First goal is to make it to that corner up front. Okay, now for some reason my boat is going to the right hand side. Not sure why. There's a bit of a current. There's Korong. And there's Cupcake Rock, and the little beach. Some cliffs over here. We're still on our way to our corner there. We'll be there soon, I hope. Okay. Right, we tried to go, there's a gap between the rocks there, we tried to go through there, but I guess we could have made it, but it turned out a little bit too dangerous and those rocks are very sharp. So there's our first beach over there. We'll try and get there and then go on land. I don't know what happened to our daughters, they're somewhere back there. So this is our first little beach. Buoys here in the water. I'm trying to show what the coral here. Is the camera here?
It's still on.
Yes. There seems to be. So this might be a designated snorkeling area. We didn't bring our snorkeling equipment. There or there?
Yeah, very small.
Okay.
The right side.
Let's stop there. We are on our first beach around the corner. We made it. We're alive. Not so sure if our children are alive. They're still somewhere out there around that corner. Hopefully they make it. So, very nice beach. About 150 meters long, maybe slightly less. Nice trees. And there's this little bamboo table right here where we came on land, which is a bit serendipitous. I'll just explore this side of this corner of the bay. There's some big rocks here. Where shall we go? Let's go through this gap, get to the other side. Okay, these rocks here seem to be volcanic. Some are volcanic, some are not. Nice sandy bottom. Very nice to swim. This area where we do some swimming in a moment. Cozy little cove. About 30 meters or so wide. It's like a private beach. Yeah, our two daughters are slowly meandering their way in a zigzag pattern towards the beach. Welcome to Paradise Island. Unfortunately, we don't have watermelon juice to welcome you with.
Do you see the turtle?
I saw no turtles.
Saw turtles.
Ah, okay, excellent.
That's why we stopped.
Alright,
She was trying to chase the turtles.
okay, and now you can relax. If you look a little bit here in the interior of the island, or the back beach, it's right up here against the cliffs. Quite spectacular. The sand sort of goes over this hump and then to the back here. And sometimes there are holes that you can fall into. And behind the cliff is the jungle. My wife spotted some colorful birds in here, but my eyes are not good enough to see little birds, unfortunately. There's a little hut of some kind. Don't think anybody lives here permanently. Maybe some shelter against the rain. Because in the time we were here, there were a few other kayaks coming here, and there was actually one boat with people in it, tourists. So the island is definitely, the beach is definitely visited. There's some structures here. Alright, so we're on the move again. Going around to see what's around the corner. We're a little bit late in the day now. Now, what we wanted to avoid is happening now, which are the tourist crowds, because tourist crowds kind of defeats the objective of this whole operation. Yeah, this is not what we want. My little excursion there to the back of the beach, to the jungle there, brought me about 1,000 mosquito bites in 2 minutes. So now I'm itchy all over. We are now entering the realm of regimented tourism. We have boat captain issuing instructions over loudspeakers. That's not what we do. Try and avoid that. Seems to be some good coral here. Off this is the second major beach as you're out from Korong Korong. There are a lot of people there. That's why we're skipping it. a very strong current here. It's going against the current. Let's go ashore. This will be our focus. Let's go ashore there. Here by the rocks. And the girls have arrived. They look very tired. You're almost there. Land ahoy. You look sea battered. Okay, this should be good. It wasn't the most refined landings, but they are here. How was your voyage? Yeah, around the end. There's a bit of a current, yeah?
Yeah.
Going against the current. Good news is if we go back, then we go with the current.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was time to head home. Thank you for joining us on this kayaking adventure, guys. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and do pop us a comment below. See you on the road.